Your car deserves the best, and having the right essentials can make all the difference. In this video, we're highlighting the must-have automotive essentials that every driver should have on hand. Whether you're looking to boost performance or stay prepared for emergencies, these items are game changer. Stick around to discover the tools and accessories that will keep your car running smoothly and safely. BLUEDRIVER OBD2 Scan Tool. The BLUEDRIVER Bluetooth Pro OBD2 Scan Tool is a must-have automotive essential for any car owner or DIY mechanic. This Bluetooth-enabled device connects effortlessly to your smartphone or tablet, providing an easy way to read and clear trouble codes including ABS, airbag, and TPMS that are usually reserved for professional mechanics. With the BLUEDRIVER, you'll also receive real-time live data to monitor your car's health while driving. The user-friendly app gives you unlimited repair reports with possible fixes, and even guides you through repairs with step-by-step video tutorials. Designed to work with all gas vehicles made in 1996 or newer, this diagnostic tool eliminates the need for expensive garage visits, offering professional-grade diagnostics right at your fingertips. No subscriptions or hidden fees, just a one-time purchase for a complete solution. Whether you're troubleshooting or maintaining your car, BLUEDRIVER simplifies the process and saves you time and money. NOCO Boost Plus GB40. The NOCO Boost Plus GB40 is an essential tool for any car owner, offering a reliable solution for dead batteries. This compact 1000-amp jump starter is capable of jump-starting vehicles with gasoline engines up to 6.0 liters and diesel engines up to 3.0 liters. Its ultra-safe design eliminates the risk of sparks or incorrect connections, making it easy to use. The GB40 also doubles as a portable power bank, capable of charging devices like smartphones and tablets. With a built-in 100-lumen LED flashlight featuring 7 modes, including SOS and strobe, it's versatile for emergency situations. Lightweight and rugged, the jump starter is water-resistant and built to withstand tough conditions. On a full charge, it can perform up to 20 jump starts, and it's rechargeable in just 3 hours. At $79.95, it's a must-have for anyone looking for peace of mind on the road. TYMATE TM7 Tire Pressure Monitoring System. If you're looking for a reliable tire pressure monitoring system that's both easy to use and packed with features, the TYMATE TM7 is a must-have. This wireless TPMS provides real-time monitoring of tire pressure and temperature, helping to ensure safer driving. The system features 4 external sensors and a vibrant LCD display with an adjustable backlight, making it easy to check your tire health in any lighting. With 6 alarm modes, including alerts for high-low pressure and fast leaks, you can stay ahead of potential tire issues. The TM7 is designed for easy setup, plugging directly into your vehicle's cigarette lighter, and it even includes dual USB ports for charging devices on the go. It covers a wide range of vehicles, from sedans to RVs, making it a versatile and budget-friendly solution for maintaining tire safety. With the TYMATE TM7, you can enjoy peace of mind and convenience on every journey. Battery Tender Plus Battery Charger. When it comes to keeping your vehicle's battery in top shape, the Battery Tender Plus car and motorcycle battery charger is an essential tool. Its adaptive smart charging technology automatically adjusts to your battery's needs, ensuring a longer lifespan for your vehicle. The charger features a 4-step process, carefully managing the charging cycle to protect your battery from overcharging, unlike traditional trickle charge. Its easy-to-use design includes a quick disconnect harness, making it hassle-free to maintain your battery. Plus, the solid-state 2-color LED light lets you monitor the charging progress at a glance. Whether you're maintaining a car, motorcycle, or lawnmower battery, this compact and reliable charger ensures your batteries are always ready to go. With a 10-year warranty and lifetime customer support, the Battery Tender Plus gives you peace of mind and long-lasting performance. GEARLIGHT S500 Headlamp. When you're out on the road or prepping for an adventure, the GEARLIGHT S500 USB rechargeable headlamp is a game-changer. Lightweight and comfortable, it fits both adults and kids, making it perfect for camping, running, or emergency situations. The adjustable, removable headband ensures a secure fit, while the pivoting head lets you direct light exactly where you need it. With 7 lighting modes, including high, medium, low, and SOS, this headlamp offers versatility for various tasks. The powerful LED provides bright, daylight-colored light, while the rechargeable feature means you can keep it ready without dealing with disposable batteries. Plus, it's water-resistant and drop-tested, so it stands up to harsh conditions. Whether you're working on an automotive project at night or navigating a trail, the GEARLIGHT S500 headlamp provides reliable, hands-free lighting to get the job done safely and efficiently. A must-have for any outdoor enthusiast or emergency kit. HOL 126 Car Wash Kit. If you're someone who loves keeping your vehicle in top shape, the Chemical Guys HOL 126 Car Wash Kit is a game changer. This kit includes everything you need to clean and maintain your car's exterior, making car washing an enjoyable experience. The foam gun easily connects to any standard garden hose, creating a rich foam that lifts dirt while being gentle on the paint. With 5 16-ounce car care chemicals included, you have the perfect blend of products for every cleaning need, from washing to finishing with a brilliant shine. The bucket and tools make the entire process fast, easy, and fun, whether you're a seasoned car enthusiast or a beginner. If you want to maintain that showroom shine without the hassle, this kit provides all the essential, backed by the trusted Chemical Guys brand. It's a must-have for anyone serious about their vehicle's care. FiXD Bluetooth OBD2 Scanner. If you're someone who likes to take control of your car's maintenance and save on costly repairs, the FiXD Bluetooth OBD2 scanner is a must-have. This compact device plugs into your car's OBD2 port and syncs seamlessly with your smartphone via Bluetooth, giving you instant access to over 7,000 car issues from engine trouble to ABS malfunction. Whether you're dealing with a check engine light or just want to stay on top of routine maintenance, FiXD makes it easy to diagnose problems and avoid unnecessary trips to the mechanic. The app even tracks your car's maintenance schedule, reminding you when it's time to change the oil or check the tires. It's simple to use, compact, and an excellent gift for any car enthusiast or DIYer. With FiXD, you can have peace of mind knowing your car's health is in your hands. LUSSO Gear Car Seat Organizer. If you're tired of clutter in your car, the LUSSO Gear Car Seat Organizer with cup holders is exactly what you need. This versatile organizer fits both the front and back seats of most vehicles, giving you 9 compartments to store everything from snacks to gadgets. With 2 large main pockets, a zippered rear pocket, 4 cup holders, and 2 mesh pockets, it keeps your car organized and within easy reach. The foldable design makes it a space saver when not in use, and the comfortable safety handles ensure easy portability. Plus, the organizer can be securely attached using your vehicle's seat belts for added stability. Whether you're traveling with kids, organizing your work gear, or just need to keep your car tidy, the LUSSO Gear Organizer is a must-have. Durable, functional, and stylish, it turns your cluttered car into a neat and organized space in seconds. SCHUMACHER Battery Load Tester. If you've ever dealt with a car battery issue, you know how frustrating it can be to troubleshoot without the right tool. The SCHUMACHER Electric BT 100 Battery Load Tester and Voltmeter takes all the guesswork out of diagnosing your vehicle's battery health. This easy-to-use tool performs a 50-amp load test for 6-volt batteries and a 100-amp test for 12-volt batteries, making it perfect for cars, trucks, motorcycles, and even boats. It gives you real-time insights into your battery's condition and charging system, so you can avoid costly repairs. The heavy-duty clamps and durable steel case ensure it's built to last, while the top-mounted rocker switch makes it simple to operate. Whether you're a DIYer or a professional mechanic, the BT100 will save you time, money, and frustration. It's a must-have for anyone looking to keep their vehicle running smoothly. LIFELINE AAA Premium Road Kit. If you've ever found yourself unprepared for an emergency on the road, the LIFELINE AAA Premium Road Kit is a must-have. This compact 42-piece kit has everything you need to stay safe and tackle unexpected issues. The included 8-foot, 8-gauge booster cables ensure you can jump-start your vehicle in no time, while the aluminum flashlight with batteries will help you see clearly in dark situations. The first aid supplies, including bandages and antiseptic wipes, are perfect for handling minor injury. Plus, the emergency poncho and safety vest keep you visible and protected during roadside stops. The kit also features useful tools like duct tape, a screwdriver, and cable ties for quick fixes. Whether you're driving a car, truck, or RV, this well-organized, durable kit ensures you're prepared for any roadside emergency. It's a reliable and essential addition to your vehicle for peace of mind. ICARCOVER Custom Car Cover. If you're serious about protecting your classic 1964 to 1968 Ford Mustang, the ICARCOVER Custom Car Cover is a must-have accessory. This cover is crafted from 100% waterproof and weatherproof materials, ensuring your Mustang stays safe from rain, snow, UV rays, and dust. The custom fit hugs the contours of your vehicle perfectly, with elastic hems at the front and back for a secure, snug fit. It also includes 3 heavy-duty straps that keep the cover in place during high winds, preventing it from shifting or flying off. Inside, a soft cotton lining protects your car's finish from scratches, while the breathable material reduces humidity buildup, keeping your car dry. Plus, the cover comes with thoughtful accessories like antenna patches and a storage bag, making it as convenient as it is protective. Whether your car is parked inside or out, this cover is a great way to preserve its condition for years. K&N high-flow engine air filter. If you're serious about vehicle maintenance or restoration, the K&N high-flow engine air filter is a must-have upgrade. This washable lifetime filter is designed for vehicles like the 2007 to 2021 Ford F-150, Raptor, and Expedition, providing superior airflow that leads to increased horsepower and better acceleration. The filter is pre-oiled and ready to drop right into your vehicle's factory airbox, making installation a breeze. What sets it apart is the impressive lifespan. It only needs cleaning every 75,000 miles under normal driving condition. Not only does this save you money on replacements, but it's also eco-friendly, reducing waste compared to disposable filters. Whether you're looking for better performance or long-term, cost-effective solution, this K&N filter delivers. Plus, it's built to last with durable materials, ensuring your engine stays protected and running efficiently for the long haul.